Good morning, Red Lions. Happy Monday. Today is Monday. What is the month? Let's do our months. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. What month is it? Oh, you can't see it, can you? Let me see if I can pull it up a little bit. There we go. What month is it? May. It is May. All right, we had this number on Saturday, the 16th. This number on Sunday. So we go 16, 17. What number comes after 17? 18. So today is the 18th. All right, what day of the week is it? Yep, it's Monday, Sunday, Monday. All right, let's say the whole date. Today is Monday, May 18th. 2020. Right? Today's Monday. What was yesterday? Good. Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday because we go Sunday, Monday. What's tomorrow gonna be? Here's Sunday. Tomorrow gonna be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Good job. Tomorrow's Tuesday. What season is it? Good. It is spring. And the weather today is definitely not sunny. What's it doing at your house? It is raining. Put up our, see it? Put up my, the like rain picture. It's raining out. Take my sun away. All right. All right, guys, this week we're going to work on some addition and subtraction. We had started that right before all of this craziness in March. So we have seen it before. The rest of the stuff I've been doing on these videos, we pretty much hadn't seen. This you've seen. So this is kind of like a little bit of review, but we didn't get into it as much as I would have liked. All right, so I'm going to show you, today some ways to do addition. What does it mean to add, first of all? What does it mean to add? Yeah, put things together. So for example, I'll show you my fingers. If I had 2 fingers over here and 2 fingers on here, put them together and I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We're putting together, adding, saying plus is another word we might see when we're talking about adding. All right? We're going to do some adding on a 10 frame using some word problems. Okay? So listen for your name. I might use your name in a word problem. You're not going to really be able to see me much right now because I'm going to turn my screen to my whiteboard. Okay? You can hear me though. I might pop in like this. All right. So what do I have right here? Yeah, I got a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 2 colored chips. I have green chips and I have blue chips. So they're going to represent our 2 different things we're going to be adding, our sets that we're going to add together. Okay? So we're going to start on the 10 frame. I'm going to show you some other things too, some other ways you can add. All right, so listen to my story problem. Mitzi was going down the street and Mitzi had 3 balloons with her. So I'm going to put up 3. 1, 2, 3. So there's Mitzi's 3 balloons. She ran into Gabby, and Gabby had 4 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balloons did they have all together? All together tells me that put count all up together. So Mitzi had 3 balloons. Gabby had 4 balloons. How many balloons do they have all together? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another way I see that, I see this as 5, 6, 7. So 5, 6, 7. 7 balloons. You see that? Awesome. All right. Do another one. All right. Ready? Miguel had 4 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Miguel had 4 lollipops. Okay. Brooklyn had 5 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lollipops did Brooklyn and Miguel have in all? In all is going to tell me add them up. So 4 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it? 4 and 5 makes what? 9. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good work. You know how I kind of see this? I see this as 5 and 4. It's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Another way I see that is it's 1 less than 10 and there's 1 empty box. So I can see that real fast. That answer must have been 9. Good. All right. Let's do another one. All right. So we have, let's do our story problem with JoJo was at the store and she wanted 6 Hershey bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So JoJo had 6 Hershey bars. Emily came in to the same store and saw JoJo. And she gave JoJo 2 more Hershey bars. How many Hershey bars did JoJo have now? Did you say 8? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And I remember I'm going to write my 8 like this. There's my 8. 6, 7, 8. So you can count on. I can go 6, 7, 8. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I kind of see this also as here's 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, counting backwards from 10, I can go 10, 9, 8. So the 10 frame is a great tool to help me. Another tool that you can make and use at home to help you solve addition problems is a part whole chart that looks like this. Can you see it? Okay, so we can do our addition problems on this. So let's say I had 2 pencils and Miss Cactus gave me 3 more pencils. Okay, so I have 2 pencils This calculus gave me 3 pencils. How many pencils do I have all together? I'm going to move them up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 and 3 makes 5. You see how easy that is too, to help you kind of visualize it? All right. Let's look at another one. All right. Let's say that Miss Fleener came in and brought with her 1 new chair to our classroom. There were already 6 chairs in the room. How many chairs are in the room now? So Miss Fleener brought 1 chair. They already had 6 chairs in the room. How many chairs are in the room now? Let me slide them up and see if you were right. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because 1 and 6 make 7. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome work. So do you see those? Those are 2 easy tools you can use at home to help you with some addition and subtraction problems. Not subtraction yet, but later we'll learn and talk about how to use them for subtraction. Okay? Let's go ahead and do a couple practice problems on my screen. All right, you guys are going to help me answer some questions. Let's look at this. So we had 1 bird plus 1 bird equals how many birds? 2 birds. Good, because remember, this is our plus sign. This is our equal sign. So you're going to help me fill these in. All right, so how many birds are over here? 5 plus 1 more equals how many? Good. I hope you said 6. All right. 3 plus 3 equals, good, 6 again. It's a different way to make 6. There's lots of ways you can make the same answer, the same sum. Sum is the answer to an addition problem, remember? All right. 4 birds plus 5 birds equals how many birds? Did you get? Hope you got 9. Good job. Woohoo! 9 birds. 1 bird plus 3 birds equals, yes, 4 birds. Good job. All right, 3 birds plus 4 birds equals 7. All right, so you could go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more, okay? Ooh, this is the same problem. They just flip-flop the numbers. Instead of 3 plus 4, it's 4 plus 3. So what's going to be our answer? It's 7 again. It's the same thing. When you're doing addition, you can switch these 2 numbers around and you're still going to always get the same answer. Good work today. All right. I am so proud of you. You did great today. Practice some addition problems at home. Do story problems, use counters, whatever you have around to help you do some addition. Love you. Bye. Mwah.